Hi guys, welcome to channel. So guys, first method, update Nvidia graphic card. So we have to first try to driver manager. Just right click to device manager. Okay, and extract. So you can see your motherboard model number. Okay, so right click and update driver. Okay, if it like getting like this best driver of Windows already installed, so you have to download latest driver by the official website. Otherwise you can, when update, click to update driver and some installation showing here, so this is not required to download latest driver. Okay, this is automatically update to from update from device manager. Okay, if it is not showing, just open any browser and type nvidia driver download. So guys, this is officially Nvidia official website. So just right click to new tab. So guys, if you know the serial number of your product, so you can enter here. Okay, then click to search. If you don't know your device serial number, so you enter your product category. Go for site 10, Nvidia RTX, data center and all. What you like, you have good folks. Then guys, next step, enter the series 50, 40, 40, notebook 20, which one. Okay, then go for RTX model number, then select your operating system. Okay, this is so simple, you just try to follow this my step. Okay, select your operating system. Okay, and then click to find. This is both Windows 10 and 11 is both working. Okay, this is Gorfos game ready driver. Okay, this is Nvidia Studio. Okay, and almost size in 844, and you can see also your release date. Okay, this is older type. Okay, so guys, like I show you, just click to download for the game ready. So if you want to like studio, so you can installation process same. So click to view, and then click to download. Now this is starting for the download. Okay, and one more thing guys, if you confuse about your motherboard and serial number and model number, all about that, you have to try to auto, so you can get auto driver update, so you can get the app and click to download. This is app, so you can some critical type also. Okay, sometime, but I suggest you download the proper with setup and with supported model number. So finally guys, this is completed. So open, single click to open. Wait few seconds, it will become start to automatic to install. So this is asking for the administrator rights. You can show and you can check like that. Okay, then click to yes. minimize it, just extract your data so to your system. Now this is checking and capability. Okay, then it's completed, then restart your system. The next step, so this is a SFC scanner. So how to run, this is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD, right click to run as administrator, then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.